All right, so the reason I comment those out is because I'm going to start building the main structure of the program right now, and I just don't want those in my way. I'm leaving the dictionary because that's going to be my starter for my accounts. So now, if I was really investing a lot of time and money into this, I would put a better user interface, but I'm going to do a very simple one, and I'm just going to say, welcome to my ATM. And I'm going to center it in a row of 60 characters. Okay? And then I'll do a blank line after that, and then we'll just get straight into it. Actually, you know what? I don't need a blank line because I'm going to do a triple quote menu here. I'm going to use this to give my users the menu options. And the menu options are, let's say, choose from the following options. Boy, the typing is not good today. There we go. All right, so option number 1, check my balance. Number 2, make a deposit. Make a withdrawal. Okay. And I'm going to do a fourth option. I'm going to say exit the program. So there are my menu options. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get the user's menu choice. And I'm going to have them choose 1 through 4. And I'm going to call that str menu equals input. What do you want to do? 1 through 4. There we go. Now I create a structure with an if, elif, else. So there's 3 elifs. Because what I want to do is I want to do something for each of these choices. This is my if, elif, and then else is if they type anything other than 1, 2, 3, or 4, then I say, yeah, I can't do that. So I build my ifs. So build if structure. Okay. So if str menu equals 1, and remember I'm keeping these as strings because the input comes back as a string. I could change it to an integer, but I don't need to because I'm just going to check it. I'm not going to do math here. I just want to check what number they entered, so I don't have to convert it. I just have to make sure I'm checking for a string. Okay, so if str menu equals 1. Now, I could go down here and I could say elif str menu equals 2. But notice that I'm getting these little errors here. And the reason I'm getting these errors is because I haven't put anything here. You have to have at least one indented line of code for each branch of your branching structure. So here's where my magical word comes in, pass. If I write pass there, then it stops yelling at me. And pass is just a function or command in Python that just does nothing. It's like passing, if you're playing a card game and you say, oh, I pass, like the next person gets to go on their turn. That's all pass does. It just does nothing. But it's still a valid line of code, so I don't generate errors. Honest to God, the only time I ever use pass is for this purpose, is so that I can write a structure of code without having to put the code in there yet. There's probably other reasons. I've just never used one. So I'm going to do my rest of my elif here. Str menu equals 3. So I'm doing each thing that I want. Pass, elif, str menu equals 4. This is my exit, right? Pass, and else. This is if they type anything that doesn't make sense. So I'm just going to say print, that's not a valid choice. Okay. So now you might be looking at this. You might be going, okay, that I see how that works. They got the menu, they make a choice, and it's going to do one of the things here. Cool. Now, this is just going to go through this, and then it's going to exit, right?